Yeah, the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website, guys. Please check out them website and get your product 100%. All right, we got 13 people like the video, 60 people are watch. That doesn't look good. All right. I just want to make it straightforward to you guys. This is not a video where I'll come and I explain things to you. I'm not going to be explaining nothing to you guys this evening. Simple what I want you to do is go to the local shop or your supermarket and buy this little thing named cloves right here. All right, it's very good for you. It's good for your teeth and you have a lot of health benefit. All right, now what I want you to do, go to the shop and buy yourself a buckle of cloves like this. Okay, buy a buckle like this, and what you want to do, get a good amount of portion and put it into a glass like this. All right, me now gonna explain nothing to you this evening. Don't ask me no question. Go to the shop, buy a buckle of cloves like this. Okay, guys, and when you come home, you put a portion into a glass like this, what you see I'm doing right here. And then what you want to do is pour some hot water on it, just like this. All right, once you pour the hot water on it, you leave it for a few minutes and leave it for it to dissolve into the water, into the hot water. Please do not ask me the question, what is this all about? Now I'm gonna explain it to you right now. Go to the shop one more time, buy yourself some of these cloves right here. All right, cloves been used in over the last 200,000 years and we've been still using it today. Okay, secondly, it have a lot of health, the word health benefit. Okay, so basically it's even good for digestion. You know what I mean? A lot of people who can't digest their food properly, this is very good for you. If you eat cloves in your diet every single day, you will see a big change of diet into your you will see a big change into your diet every day as you eat and as it goes on. All right, guys, so I'm not gonna explain what is all about, how to get clove to buy, fly go to Jamaica. Please do not book a ticket and fly to Jamaica to get this and then you're gonna blame me. All right, what I want you to do is go to your local shop or your supermarket and buy this little bucket, this little container right here with these little seed. See, here it is. Let's pour it out. Look at these seeds right here. All right, go and buy it. Okay, listen guys, I'm telling you something where this is not a joke thing. This is very, very serious. All right, so once you put the cloves in it, all right, once you put the cloves in it, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour it off like this. All right, it's beautiful. All right, so once you pour it off, just put a few more in it, just a few. All right, yeah. All right, now I want to say, I want you guys to do for me, please. All right, you have to do it that way. Just to show you about exactly what's going on. All right, this one right here is for me to drink. Okay, and I'm gonna drink this one before I go to my bed. All right, now what I want to say to you guys, this is for me to drink before I go to my bed tonight. All right? And I want to simply say to you, we got 86 people watch the video, 24 people liking the video. All right? All right, Island Kitchen, big up yourself. You're a big supporter of Chef Ricardo cooking. All right? So guys, right here, I want to drink this before I go to my bed tonight. And I'm going to simply say to you, do not ask me no question about cloves, how to get it, how to buy it. Go up on your smartphone and just pay how much thousands of pounds for. Go up on it and type in what's the benefit of cloves. Okay? If you type in the benefit of cloves, you're gonna get a whole heap of different kind of, ideas what cloves is good for. Okay? But one thing I know, it is lockdown gone and it's lockdown come and gone, and a lot of people didn't get the chance to go to the dentist. All right, and sometimes you got a little bit of toothache. This is very good for you. All right. Secondly, a lot of people when they wake up in the morning, them have a bad breath. You know what I mean? So they have to rush and brush them teeth and all them thing there. Well, when you drink this, this can help you to remove the bad breath. All right, and not only that too. This drink right here can also help you to detox your body and cleanse your mouth. Okay? Yes, our mouth. Because a lot of people eat a lot of food, a lot of chicken, a lot of all sort of stuff. You understand? All of them things that sit down inside of you. Okay? Now, this thing right here, the cloves, what you need to do is to start eat one every single day and see what's the difference in your body. Alright. If you notice, I said cloves, the benefit for man. Alright, I was talking about man right here, so. Alright, man, to the man them, this is a very good drink for you to drink before you go to your bed at night. The cloves, 100%. If you drink this at least 5 nights straight, you will see the difference into your body, into your immune system, and not only that, this helps you to detox your body and cleanse your body. Alright, guys. But I'm gonna make it clear, I am not a doctor, I am not a scientist, I am not a nurse, I am not a dentist, and none of these things. That's why I say, if you got one of those smartphones that you spend thousands of pounds and buy, please use your smartphone and type in what's the benefit of cloves right here. This little seed right here, we born come see our great grandparents using it. It had ginger and lemon and this thing. Well, next one name again. The next one is garlic. We born come see our grandparents using this. Clove has been used over the last 200,000 years to heal human being body. Okay, up to till today, we're still using it. All right. So please do not go in the description box and asking me question. If you got a smartphone at your house, please use it. Please type in what's the benefit of cloves. All right, guys. All right, I have to try eat to make my mouth free. All right, this one with the cloves right here. A lot of people does not like to taste cloves in their mouth because they're gonna say, you know what, it's a little bit too strong. All right. If you don't like to taste the cloves in your mouth, you can't have it. Fear, that's it. You can't have it. All right. This is more than benefit, man. I'm telling you, it is more than benefit, and that's why I'm making it plain and straight to you guys. I do a whole heap of research on the cloves. The benefit what cloves have, they've been using it over the last 200,000 years before me and you even the thing for come on planet. All right. So, guys, what I want to simply say to you, this little seed right here, if you're at home, in a COVID-19 gone, a lot of people didn't get the chance to go to the dentist. And this is very, very, very good for you. All right. Chef Andrew, big up yourself. 007, big up yourself. All right. So what you want to do, you want to drink this before you go to your bed. Trust me. Guys, you don't have to do it. But I'm going to tell you something. If you never do nothing into your whole entire life, try this one tonight. Just get yourself some cloves, put into some hot water and drink it before you go to your bed tonight. And you will see the difference in your body, in your immune system. You're going to be a transform in your body when you drink this, guys. 100%. All right. So if you're at home right now watching this video, and you might have said, Chef Ricardo, me no on cloves, get it tomorrow. Alright? Get up and get it tomorrow. And buy yourself some cloves. You can get it in the local shop or your supermarket and buy it. Alright? I understand what you mean. Thank you. Alright. Yeah, you're welcome. If you understand, then you can go. Thank you so much. Alright? Now, the thing I want to say to you guys, with the cloves, alright, you can get it in the local shop or your supermarket. Please do not buy the powder one. Please and buy the fresh one like what you see I'm having right here. The fresh one, this one doesn't have any powder. This one is just straightforward. Alright? So, yeah. But what I want to simply say to you guys, tonight, get yourself some cloves and make this beautiful cup of tea. We got 56 people watching the video. I'm liking the video. 100 people watching. Chef Andrew, big up yourself. Anyway, shout out to Chef Andrew. We did a collaboration together about a cherry juice. Alright. Yes. Island Kitchen, thank you so much for coming on the show. But as you can see here, right here, guys. Alright. So this one right here, you know what I mean? It's, if you can take one of these seeds and eat it every day for 5 days straight, then you will see a transform into your body at home. Alright? Hello, I'm just John. What is about? May I ask? Okay. Alright. We're talking about some cloves right here. Alright, guys. If you're just coming on the live, this is some cloves where you can get in the supermarket or your local shop to buy. Alright? Go to your local shop or your supermarket, buy yourself some cloves, come home and drink it before you go to your bed. There's a transform in your body, and not only that, a lot of people doesn't know that if you're at home and, you know what I mean, with the same cloves, you know what I mean, they can help you with the toothache at home. Alright? A lot of people who doesn't know that these same little seed here is very good for your digestion, because a lot of people doesn't digest their food properly. You understand? So this is another way who can help you also. Alright? And not only that, very, very good for the detoxing of the body. Alright? This little seed right here. I love it. Alright, guys. But as I said, I want to take the time out to say thank every one of you guys who are watching so far. Really appreciate it. 100%. We got 121 people watching the video, 67 people liking the video. Red flag. Come on, guys. That's big, big, massive red flag. Alright? For toothache. Yes, it's very good for toothache also. And not only that too. Not only is a toothache only. A lot of people does not brush their teeth the right and proper way. Because there's a certain kind of techniques, there's a certain kind of hygienic way you're supposed to brush your teeth. And a lot of people does not take that time and do it. Sometimes some people just wake up in the morning and just brush them teeth and them gone. You understand? So basically with the cloves, it's very good for you to use and even eat a cloves in the morning to take away. So if a lot of people have a little bit of bad breath and all them stuff, the cloves, very good for you with that also. Alright? So there's a lot of health benefit with the cloves, guys. So please, please do some research. Alright? Yes, it was good for, and not only that, remember, cloves also very good for, very, very good for, if you're a person who, you know what I mean, don't use a lot of oil and all them stuff there, cloves oil is one of the best in the world. Much thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Alright. Cloves is very, very, very good for you. It have a lot of health benefit, and a lot of people like to use it at home. Guys, we got 112 people watching the video and 75 people liking. That's straight red flag. Come on, guys, share some love. Share some love. Share some love. Share some love. Share some love, guys. Before K, thank you so much. You're welcome. Alright, as I said, this drink right here, guys, is one of a kind in the world. I did the video before and I come back again and I do the video one more time to show you how good the video is. Alright, I just want to simply say to you tonight, if you're at home and you're watching the video, please share some love. Alright, this drink is a drink where you have to try if you're at home. All right, it's a beautiful drink, and to be honest with you, 100% you guys would love it. All right, I just want to take the time out to say thank every one of you guys who watching, and stay tuned in. We've got a lot more coming and a lot more ideas.